Good morning, guys. I said I was going to show you how I make my Greek dressing. We're going to make it now. So, super simple. I like starting out with the spices first, and I'm using this is just an old kombucha bottle, but you can use any type of bottle, mason jar, whatever you'd like. Now, like I said, we're going to start off with the herbs and the spices, and that's just to make this easier. So we got 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, or sorry, that's onion powder. 1 teaspoon onion powder. Then we need 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And I just haven't filled my garlic container, so hence why I'm using the big one here. And guys, you can leave this out. It tastes the exact same. Okay, we need a teaspoon of salt. You can leave the salt out if you wish. All right, so now to the herbs. 1 teaspoon oregano. 1 teaspoon basil. And 1 teaspoon of parsley. And then we're going to go in with a 1/4 teaspoon of Chipotle chili pepper. All right. Now, you want 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Fresh or bottled, really doesn't matter. Set that there. You want 1, ow, that was hard on the shoulder. You want 1 teaspoon of mustard. It doesn't really matter what kind of mustard, it's just I have honey mustard, and this is actually my favorite mustard, is honey mustard. So that's the one I'm going with. Use Dijon, use, I don't know, white mustard, it's not white, yellow mustard. Use whatever mustard you want. All right, we're gonna set that aside for a second. So now we want 1/2 cup of oil. I am using olive oil. Okay, that was a little bit more than 1/2 cup, but that's all right. And pour that right in there. I'll just use the same amount of vinegar. Now you can use any vinegar you want. It can be white vinegar, it can be apple cider vinegar. Both work. I've tried both. I went to that line. So in total you want 1 cup of oil and 1 cup of vinegar. I went a little bit over. As you can tell, I went a little bit over, but that's all right. Okay. Just want to move that out of my way. So now you can see all the herbs are beautifully in there. You just want to give it, you want to make sure your lid's on there good, and give it a good shake. Get everything mixed in there, happy. You'll have to shake it every time you go to use it. So this is good on regular salads. It's good as a marinade. It is good for barbecuing. It is good in a pasta salad. it is good in anything that you like Greek dressing on. So there you go. Yummy! And this lasts for quite a while. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to sit here and shake it a little bit more because I got some powder that just does not want to dissolve. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.